VeChain is back in this very interesting demand zone after this extreme rise for the first time. But will we see rising prices now, or will we continue the correction? In this video, I will talk about VeChain and share my price prediction for both the long term and the short term. Before we start with the content, join my free Telegram group where I share daily analyses on Bitcoin, VeChain and all other cryptocurrencies. First link in the description. VeChain is currently ranked 48th among all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $2.2 billion. The coin has existed since 2018 and we hit the all-time high in 2021. And after the last ultimate high, we got a massive sell-off. We came down to this lowest demand zone where the extreme bull run started in 2021. And after finding support here several times, we then had a bullish trend develops and this strong demand zone first towards the upside broken. However, we only saw these candle wicks and therefore saw another correction to the downside because we just took this liquidity over this high swing where we have given up the undersides. However, this liquidity and strength were not enough to form a deeper low, but we got caught in this demand zone. And after we consolidated a bit, we saw this massive jump from VeChain, this breakout from the supply chain, and then we formed a new high here, but again in the next supply zone rejected. And since then we are retracing to the downside. And on the daily chart, we can still clearly see that we are in a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs. And we're currently at the bottom part of this demand zone. Because from this demand zone that has a confirmed higher low, we saw a higher high, meaning the break of structure to the upside. So the chance is also extremely high that we will continue the bullish trend to the upside from this level. So now it's extremely important that we see bullish price action break these recent highs to the upside, and then the chance is high that we will see rising prices. And if we then break this last supply zone to the upside, then the chance is high that we will see a real explosion in the higher time frame for VeChain. These would be my next price targets for Vice on the way to all-time high. In my opinion, the last all-time high is still a valid price target for this bull run. Reach this high here, and especially this high for the bull run, but significantly higher prices will be more difficult as we have been in this accumulation for quite some time here. Not much bullish pressure is coming in, and in comparison other coins are already significantly higher and there is significantly more money flowing into them. It could of course happen that we see significantly higher prices, but I think we can reach the old peak, maybe slightly higher prices, but it's not going to be a 100x for VeChain. But from the current prices to the old all-time high, we would have potential over 800%, which is very massive for this price. And generally, I still think that VeChain has extremely good potential. That means in the long term, and especially for this bull run, I am bullish on VeChain. And as I said, we are currently at this very interesting limit area. But if we additionally use the Fibonacci tool now, we can see that we have already come below the 0.786 Fibonacci level. That means we saw an extremely large pullback deep into this demand zone. And that of course provides extremely good buying opportunities for this. I think now is an extremely good time to buy VeChain. And of course for a trade, if we see bullish price action on the smaller time frames here, then the chance is high that we will see higher prices and continue the bullish trend to the upside. Especially if we break these last highs to the upside, establish bullish order flow, the chances are high that we will rise. Only if we break through this demand zone on the downside, the chances are high that we will see lower prices as long as we do not break through, significantly break and accept it. Find the chance is significantly higher, as mentioned, that we will see rising prices and the bullish trend continuing upwards. Continue, and for a short-term trade, I would wait here until we take out these highs, and if we see bullish price action here and pull out with strong momentum, I think the chance is high that we will target these prices, and that's why this would be a good point. Long potential, and if we see lower prices again here, I would wait until we take out this high, and then with the bullish momentum upwards, get in. And if you don't want to miss any of my trades, join my exclusive Signal group. Here I share all my trades in real time and also share my crypto spot buys to build a massive crypto portfolio for the bull run. Second link in the description. So in summary, I think VeChain still has a lot of potential for this bull run and we can still reach the old all-time high. And in the short term, we are in an extremely good position to find a perfect spot here. For short-term leverage trades, we could also find extremely good positions. So folks, many thanks for watching. I wish you much success in trading and see you in the next video.